Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic analytical geometry, this is question 25. Find the equation of the line which passes through the points 3, 4 and makes intercepts on the axis equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So here they are talking about intercept form. So that means the one which is intercepting at x-axis will be A, but the B will be opposite in sign, which means here they gave us B is minus A, opposite in sign. So therefore, the equation of the straight line will be x divided by A plus y divided by minus A is equal to 1. Or we can rewrite this as x by A minus y by A equal to 1. Cross multiplying A to the right hand side, we will get x minus y is equal to A. Now they say that this particular line passes through the points 3, 1. Since the above line passes through 3, 4, we can replace x with 3 and y with 4. It implies that 3 minus 4 is A. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Therefore, the equation of the line is x minus y is equal to minus 1, or we can rewrite it as x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. That is the desired equation. Let us move on to the next question. Question 26. Find the intercepts made by the line 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0 on the coordinate axis. So here they are asking us to find the values of A and B. So let us rewrite this equation as 3x minus 2y is equal to negative 12. Now divide both sides by minus 12. We get 3x by minus 12 minus 2y by minus 12 is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. Simplifying, we will have minus x by 4 plus y by 6 equal to 1. Or rather, I will write this negative 4 there only. This is negative 4. So this clearly implies that the intercepts A is minus 4 and B is 6. That is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the next question. Question 27. The segment of a line intercepted between the coordinate axis is bisected at the point x1, y1. Find the equation of the line. So here it is, they are talking like this. Let me draw the graph. This is our y-axis. This is our x-axis. they say some line segment. This is the line segment. And they say here it is bisecting this line at x1, y1. Something like this. This point there, they are calling it as P x1, y1. Consider this as point A, point B. This as O. Let us consider this as M. So one thing is clear that this distance is x1 and this distance is y1. Means PM is y1, OM is x1. We will consider this as 0, comma A. This as, sorry, 0, comma B, sorry. This we will consider as A, comma 0. Means this distance is B and this full distance is A. So now we have equation. So now since this is bisecting, this PXY should be the midpoint of P is the midpoint of AB. And hence we can say x1 is 0 plus A by 2 and y1 is B plus 0 by 2, which means 2x1 is A when by cross multiplying 2y1 is B. So therefore, the required equation of line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Now we will replace that A with 2x1, B with 2y1 equal to 1. Or we can take that 2 to the right hand side. We can rewrite this as x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to 2. That is the required equation of the line.